Really?
Yeah. Well, he's not as big, but he's went another couple of weeks.
Yeah, they
We'll
grow
have him.
a couple pounds a week now.
Is that what it is?
Yeah. Goes really fast.
Yeah, put him in there so we can stand further away. See what he does. Oh, we got one over there. I gotta get on the other side. They're all over here.
See, they're a wild bunch.
A lot of action in this video.
Look, that's how they play. Hi. Hi.
Well, I was watching this one video. It was so funny. It was of a huge black one and a huge brown one. And they were playing, and that's exactly what they were doing. They would just like hop up a little bit and whack them, hop up a little bit and whack them. That's all they were doing. It was so funny.
I love it. And they tumble on each other. They just
Yeah.
fall over on their own feet. They're just so funny.
Where are we going? All the other ones go over there, and he's over there.
Look at this guy. It's like Shakespeare.
Yeah.
A little drunk.
They do look like little drunk puppies. But it's so neat when they just actually start walking, because until then they're like paratrooping around, you know.
Well, it
when
looked like they were swimming, kind of.
Yeah. Probably on the shiny paper, too.
Yeah.
It makes it hard, but... What'd you say, Murphy?
It's amazing. 3 weeks ago, you get to this stage, you know,
Yeah.
it's like...
What are we doing wrong with humans? Because
I know.
We are a slow process.
we need to take some puppy lessons.
Yeah.
Well, I guess to survive in nature, they need...
Sarah's working on that
He's got
koala.
a big head, too, that guy.
Yeah, you know, they all pretty much do. I guess they're all going to be Tuckers.
They're all going to be big.
I'm just wandering around here. Where you go, Murphy? Oh, I think I need water.
Oh, it's something to chew on.
Well, Misty's guy's going to bother Sarah. Hey, that was her koala bear. Now she's going to eat him. Take my koala, I'll eat you.
At least she sticks up for herself.
And Murphy wants some of it. Hey, Oscar, join the pile. There you go. Okay, I'll bite Sarah, too. I can deal. Poor Sarah. Run. Oh, what a puppy pile up. Oscar just lays there. Is this ride going to start soon? Flump.
Yeah. I know.
This is great. They're like chewing on the plans right there.
Yeah. Sometimes they give them all the toys and they'll go chew paper. Need some fiber in your diet, Oscar? Huh?
Yep.